Get noticed in this 2010 Dodge Ram 2500. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, curtain head airbags. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.